Hello everyone and welcome to Learn MS Word. Today we'll see about the advanced options in mail merge. Earlier we have seen the basics of mail merge. So let's get started. I have already explained in the previous video how to work with mail merge. If you have missed, no worries. Click the card. Let's start mail merge with no further delays. I've kept the document ready. So let's open the address book. Click mailing. Click select recipient. Click use existing list and select the address file and click open. In case if you haven't created the address book, click type new list. Here we are to add new address to the existing list. Click mailing. Click edit recipient list. So we will get a dialog box like this. Select the address file and click edit. I would like to add an address to the existing list. So click new entry. You will see a blank row is displayed with the cursor blinking in the first column. We can start entering the address under each column by pressing tab. Once you have entered the record, click OK and then click Yes to update the recipient list. So here the record is updated now. If any new column has to be inserted or removed, click Customized Columns. Click Yes. We can add new columns by clicking Add button. If I want to remove a record, select the record, click Delete Entry and then click Yes. If I want to find any address, I click Find, choose column. Here I am selecting the first name and type the first name and click Find Next. So you can see the record is highlighted over there. Click OK. Yes. Now we have done with the changes in the address books. We have learned how to make changes in the address book. We have learned in the previous video how to insert the fields. So now if you can see, the address is inserted in the document. To highlight the merge fields, click Highlight Merge Fields. Click Address Book. Here we can format the address book. Format means changing the style of display. Go through this to make the address to be displayed in the way you prefer. Next, click Greeting Lines. Here we can change the greeting lines. Greeting lines is whether we want to include dear, to, whomsoever it may concern. So all these are required in the letter. So here we can change in the greeting dialog box. So this is the greeting line. Once done with everything, we can click on Finish and Merge, and we can click on the, if we want to send it through email, we can send it through email itself, or we can take a print of the document. So whole of the document can be printed, or if you want to have a selected documents to be printed, we can do that. We can also print the envelopes and label using the same address list. Click the subscribe button so that you get the updates regarding the next video with a different and useful topics and tips. Bye for now.